Good morning and welcome to Monday's edition of the Bubba Show. Today the markets will be closed for the Martin Luther King holiday, but I did want to go over a few things and kind of get the week set up, so I thought I'd shoot for Monday. Take notice that last week we opened basically in our lows and we closed on the absolute high tick of the week. The markets are strong, they want to go higher. It's not our job to try to pick the top or the bottom. It's our job to trade the levels and trade what we have available to us. The markets are showing, for whatever reason, it doesn't matter. Okay? Because remember, the markets can remain irrational a lot longer than we can remain solid. So every day last week, no matter what the news, the market rallied. Good news, the market rallied. Bad news, the market paused and then rallied anyways. That is the pattern that we're in right now, is that the market right now wants to go higher. So instead of trying to fight it, you want to look for your opportunities and find stocks or futures that are at levels that you want to trade and when you can buy them on support. But setting up the week going forward, you've got a lot of big earnings coming out this week. You've got Google on Tuesday, you've got Netflix tomorrow, you've got Apple on Wednesday. So this is going to be a big week for earnings, as last week was a big week for financials, and they didn't disappoint. They had the markets continue to rally off of those numbers. These are some more big numbers. Now, Apple's earnings, you look, the stock's down 30% from its high in its own personal bear market. So this should be an interesting earnings report. You've got Google, who's been under just a little bit of pressure lately, and Netflix, that's been actually pretty strong. So the week has got some very light news, but we do have some very big earnings. The markets are starting to reach new levels, and they're starting to reach up. One of the big problems you'll find is that the lack of volatility, complacency. It's an issue in the market that we'll have to watch. But in the meantime, the Dow Jones Transports broke out to all-time record highs. The Russell, all-time record highs. Dow and S&P, 5-year highs, over. They broke out. So we've got to trade for the levels. You've got to let the markets do what they want. Pick your good levels, pick your spots, and be ready to roll. That's what I want to look for this week, and we'll get more into it on Tuesday. Bubba's picks, we had a couple of picks last week. Just on average, we're slowing down looking for opportunity. In these tortoise markets, it's hard to make good solid volatility picks, so we're going to let them trade and see what goes on. For Monday, the Bubba Show, we'll talk to you on Tuesday. Have a great day.